Hello, good day everyone, and today we will see how to fix server start fail in LMTOOLS. Okay, let's see. LMTOOLS, right click, run as administrator, click yes, go configure services. Okay, now go service name, AutoCAD 2025, go browse, LMTOOLS file, open, browse, license file, open, use services stick, start server at power tick, save service, click yes. Okay, now go license file, LMTOOLS, AutoCAD 2025, configure using service stick, LMTOOLS stick, go start stop reread, AutoCAD 2025, start server, click start server fail. The server may already be running. Okay, stop server. Okay, let's see. Go search bar, services, AutoCAD 2025, right click, properties, general, select automatic, apply, go log on tab, tick local system account, apply, OK, close, go start stop reread, AutoCAD 2025, start server, click, service start successful. Let's see. AutoCAD 2025, open, new, no issue. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.